Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm really excited to have you here because today's update is packed with action, insights, and a little bit of bragging rights. If you're new to the channel, I'm all about breaking down the markets in a way that's easy to follow, so you can make smarter trading decisions, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started. If you caught my last video, you'll remember I made a pretty bold call on gold prices. I wasn't just tossing out numbers, I was looking at the technicals, the sentiment, and the broader market context. Gold was at a critical juncture and I wanted to give you a heads up before the big move. Specifically, I said gold would get rejected at $3,490, and my target was $3,300. That resistance level was just too strong, and the market was showing signs of exhaustion. And guess what? That's exactly what happened. Actually, gold dipped even further than I expected. It's always satisfying when the charts play out just as you predicted, but it's also a reminder of how quickly things can change in these markets. Sometimes, the technicals just line up perfectly, and when they do, it's like the market is speaking directly to you. But remember, even when you're right, it's important to stay humble and keep learning. So, what's next for gold? Let's dive into the upcoming week and see what the charts are telling us now, because the story is far from over. First, let's talk about the crypto market. It's absolutely on fire right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a bunch of altcoins are all surging. We're seeing a lot of capital flow into digital assets, and that's creating a ripple effect across other markets. This is important because when crypto is pumping, gold often takes a back seat. It's almost like there's a tug of war for investor attention, and right now digital assets are winning. It's fascinating to watch traders pick sides. Some are all in on crypto, chasing those big moves, while others are sticking with gold for its stability. But at the moment, digital assets are definitely stealing the spotlight and pulling liquidity away from gold. So, looking ahead to the next week, here's what I'm seeing based on the latest data and price action. The market is setting up for another interesting chapter. Gold might attempt a short-term bounce, possibly retracing to the $3,320 to $3,335 zone. This is a classic move after a sharp drop. Markets rarely move in a straight line, and a relief rally is pretty common. But here's the catch. That old support zone? It's now turned into a supply zone, which means it's acting as a ceiling instead of a floor. Sellers are likely to step in hard if gold tries to push higher. I'm expecting gold to get rejected right there. The technicals are clear, and unless we see a major shift in sentiment or a surprise catalyst, it's going to be tough for gold to break through that resistance. My new target? I'm eyeing $3,220 as the next key level. And if volatility picks up, maybe even as low as $3,180. These are the zones I'll be watching closely for potential entries or exits. But here's the twist. If the crypto market keeps pumping hard, gold could tumble even more. There's a real inverse correlation playing out right now, and it's something every trader should be aware of. So if you're trading gold this week, keep one eye on crypto. The interplay between these markets is more important than ever, and being aware of the bigger picture can give you a real edge. It's all about momentum, and right now, gold looks a little tired. The bulls are losing steam, and unless something changes, the path of least resistance is down. Of course, these are just my predictions based on the chart's recent price action and what I'm seeing in the broader market. No one can predict the future with 100% certainty, so always stay flexible and ready to adapt. Markets can surprise you, so always manage your risk and stick to your trading plan. Set your stop losses, know your exit points, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Discipline is what separates successful traders from the rest. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more real-time analysis. I'm here every week with fresh updates, actionable insights, and honest takes on what's moving the markets. Got your own gold predictions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one, and I love seeing how you're interpreting the charts. Let's build a community of smart, informed traders together. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in and being part of this journey with me. Trade smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next market update. Until then, keep learning, keep questioning, and never stop improving your trading game.